Yeah.
Hi. Hi, wonderful people. And we are back. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed the last tutorial. And as you've noticed, or I actually hope it comes out well, because on the camera it does come out well. I hope when I send it to YouTube it's this fine. Yes, we've got a new camera. Did I hear a clap of rain? Yes, and that's because, like I said, I want the best for you guys. And as you can guess, it's going to be Valentine-themed. So like we know, the day of love, as we call it, is tomorrow. And I'm going to be teaching you how to customize 3D letters and how to use the proper glitters. So this video is for all the DIYers. I hope that's right. And it's also for all the people that would like to decorate their bedroom with a touch of red and white. Okay guys, and aside from that, I'm going to be doing a little clip where I'll be showing you how to make a phone case. It's really going to be very easy, and I'm going to be using glitters and all of that. I can't wait to show you guys. It's definitely going to be fun. So why don't you give me a thumbs up if you love this video, because you know you're going to love it. So give me a thumbs up right now. And if you're not subscribed, seriously, I don't know if you're fighting, but seriously, nothing is stopping you from pressing that button. You should press that button. Most important, which is the old carton. Basically, as long as it's hard, you could use a hard cardboard. I'm going to make it 1.5 inches. It should be here. Yep. And I'm going to leave how many? 1.5 in between. So right here you can see me trying to measure out the X letter. I then went on to cut the letter out on the cardboard which I'd drawn before. After that, I placed the first letter on the cardboard to draft out the second piece. I then had to cut out the sides. I measured 4 centimeters to make sure that everything was the same, and then cut it out. After that, I tried to check it out, so I placed the two letters side by side and then placed the sides beside it. When I thought I was good enough, I added my glue, as you can see, and right now I'm trying to attach the side to the X letter. So as you can see now, the two sides are attached, and right now I'm moving to the other side of the X letter, trying to cut out any extra piece. As you can see, you have to do it step by step. If you don't do it step by step, most likely you're going to end up having something. I would advise, if you can get your hand right now, it's time to apply the glitter. I would advise you use that because it makes the glitter application more. You apply your glue first and then sprinkle the glitters right across. So similar to what we did with the letter X. If I was to convert how much I bought the glitters, I have got them for I think above but this time, because I really want the design to be neat. And I'm doing it line by line, that red, silver, red, silver, red, silver. So I'm making use of the cardboard, the extra pieces, to hold out the remaining glitters, as you can see here, so it doesn't get to the next color. I think it was pretty good. It made it really neat. And when I got to the last part, I decided to add the mixture of both the silver and the red to give it a really unique look. As you can see, I mixed up the glitters here. If you have right now, I'm just sprinkling it right across instead of the UHU glue. I love it. I hope you do. Man, that was some work. That was a lot of work. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to make it as detailed as possible, but still trying to make sure that we don't spend so much time. So if you need more details, please let me know. If you need me to do another 3D letter, let me know. And please comment, share with your friends, subscribe, guys. We need to hit 1K subscribers. I'm setting up a WhatsApp group, but I don't know if you're interested or not. So if you are going to be interested in this WhatsApp group, just let me know, put your details and all of that. I'll get back to you. Bye, guys.